Have you seen your friends sharing their Spotify Wrapped on social media and want to see and share your own music listening summary for the year? I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to see and share your Spotify Wrapped for 2021. Now let's get started. First, open the Spotify app on your mobile device. In the Home tab, you should see a section that says Your 2021 Wrapped is here. Tap this box to start watching your 2021 Spotify Wrapped summary. Your Wrapped video will begin playing in a format similar to Instagram Stories. If you like, you can tap the right side of your screen to move forward, or the left to go back at any time. If you don't want to listen to your top tracks of the year while you watch, tap the speaker icon in the top right corner to mute the sound. Let your Wrapped video play through to find out how many minutes you listened to Spotify this year and your top songs. Here you'll also get the option to add a playlist of your top songs for the year to your library. Tap Add to Library to save it. Next is a new feature to Wrapped called your Audio Aura. This is based on the moods of music you listen to the most. You'll then see your top genres in a funky bar graph. And then get tested on the knowledge of your own listening habits with an interactive game of Two Truths and a Lie. Tap the statement about your listening history that you think is a lie. Next is your top artist. You'll see what percentile of that artist's listeners you fall into, as well as how long you spent streaming their music. Then you'll see your top 5 artists. At the end of your Wrapped video, you'll see pre-made shareable story images with an overall summary of your year on Spotify in 2021, including your top artists, songs, minutes listened, and top genre. Swipe sideways to see other color variations. Once you've picked the one you like most, tap Share. You can share this story on your Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, or Twitter. Or you can download the image, send it in a message, or copy a link to it. If you'd like, you can tap Replay to watch your Wrapped video again and check out any details you might have missed. If you saved your Top Songs 2021 playlist to your library while watching your Wrapped video, it will appear under the Playlist section in the Spotify Library tab. That's all it takes to see and share your Spotify Wrapped for 2021. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.